Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, am I going to show you a bunch of cool things you can do with the strings in Python. So let's start by declaring a variable called course, assign double quotes. In double quotes, we are going to write Python for beginners, beginners, beginners. Okay, this is course variable is storing a string objects, correct? Okay, let me see what we are going to do next. This string object has bunch of capabilities, so if you type course dot when a function is a part of object, we refer to the functions or a method. Here we have a functions or methods called upper, and we can use upper functions, then had a parenthesis. Okay, we can going to print it. How we are going to print, let us see. Okay, just I will write print here, print parenthesis. Oh, just wait a minute, just a second. Again add a parenthesis. Okay, let me run this program, see what is our output. Okay, this is our output, right? Okay, in the which form, that is Python for beginners. It is all in upper letter. So this is what this is how we are going to use upper functions in strings, and we are going to print a variable. How it print, let me look at here. Okay, course, course. Just wait, just right click and run this program. What it going to print? Okay, these two lines are output. See here, it's visible, or I think you people are going to visible. Now what you need to understand here is that upper method does not change our original strings. It will return a new string. So right after this we will print this course. You can see here our variable does not affect it, so our upper method returns a new string. See here is our output. Similarly, we have one more method called lower. Instead of upper is there na, just I have to change your lower. What it going to print? See what's our output. Okay, see here is our output. I think you people are going to visible. Python for beginners, Python for beginners. Okay, what we are going to, or which functions we are going to return here, that will have major things. Suppose I will put it upper, it will this is will going to print. Suppose I will to put lower here, this kind of things will printed in our console. Okay, okay, let me stop here. Next video I will continue the functions like find and index things. I will told you next. Okay, let me stop here. Bye bye, take care.